Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this afternoon's update on Tropical Storm Sara. So, as of 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tropical Storm Sara has maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 998 millibars, and is moving west at 10 miles per hour, and is situated just a few dozen miles northeast of Nicaragua and Honduras. Taking a look at the latest cone for Tropical Storm Sara as we go into midnight tonight. Sara is going to strengthen slightly to a 45 mile per hour tropical storm with 60 mile per hour gusts moving to the west. As we go into 12 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, 50 mile per hour winds, 65 mile per hour gusts moving to the west, skirting along the northern Honduran coastline, barely moving as we go into 12 a.m. Saturday morning with 50 mile per hour winds and 65 mile per hour gusts moving to the west very slowly. Going into noon Saturday, 50 mile per hour wind, 65 mile per hour gusts moving to the west northwest. Going into midnight Sunday, 50 mile per hour wind, 65 mile per hour gusts moving to the west northwest. Approaching Belize as we go into noon on Sunday with 50 mile per hour winds and 65 mile per hour gusts moving to the northwest, and then move across Belize into the southwestern Yucatan Peninsula as we go into 12 p.m. Monday Central Time with 30 mile per hour winds and 40 mile per hour gusts, moving into the Bay of Campeche. So, taking a look at our watches and warnings for Sara, we have tropical storm warnings for the entire northern coastline of Honduras and tropical storm watches for the northeastern coast of Nicaragua. Taking a look at some of the impacts, major flooding is going to be a big concern from Tropical Storm Sara, as we're expecting 8 to 20 inches or 200 to 500 millimeters of rainfall across much of central, northern, and northeastern Honduras and the northeastern coast of Nicaragua. This is going to result in, unfortunately, widespread devastating flooding for my friends, especially across Honduras. So please make sure you're preparing for this extremely dangerous flood threat posed by Tropical Storm Sara across Honduras and northeastern Nicaragua, looking at about 2 to 6 inches of rain across Belize or 50 to 100 millimeters and the eastern Yucatan Peninsula as well. And taking a look at our tropical storm force wind speed probabilities, tropical storm force winds are likely across the northern coastline of Honduras and possible across eastern Belize. So please make sure you're making tropical storm preparations and preparing for extreme flooding if you live across Honduras and across Belize as well. So we're going to be seeing significant impacts from Tropical Storm Sara. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful afternoon, my friends.